My name is Mohammad Ayan. I come from the Maldives. First of all, my leg was shortened, so I had to limp for 4 years. I couldn't walk normally. I fell from the skateboard actually, which broke my hip, and we did a surgery from Maldives and India. And after India, after 3 months, I was able to walk, but I had an avascular necrosis according to the doctor. So I had to limp every day. I couldn't walk on the first surgery. The treatment went well, but later we discovered we had avascular necrosis because I was too young at the time. My bone was not matured. So we went here. My father here introduced me to Vejthani first.
Mohammad Ayan, only 20 years old guy. He really suffered for many years. All time of the surgery, he cannot got the happiness. He cannot use his hip. He cannot run like his friend. He do the surgery for many years. And what happened? The head is lysis. The device is protrude and irritation in the hip joint until the hip is out of the good spherical. You see? He suffered from this situation more than 3 years, from 17 years old. He cannot move, cannot sleep well more than 7 years. Especially this last 3 years, from the 17 until the 20, he waiting for today. I told him, remove all the device, press the short stem, prepare the bone for the future because you're so young. MIS is minimally invasive surgery. I told him and his family. I talk about this is out of the good function of the hip. If you do walk like this, you walk with the limping. You see, you cannot walk well. You cannot do the exercise. I said you can do all activity that you want to do. Computer-assisted surgery is very important because when you place the prosthesis of the total hip back into the hip joint, if you saw by the eye, that's why you can make the surgery. But it proved previously a lot of the complications from the total hip replacement in the conventional surgery. It had a very important dislocation, fell implant, or something. It may be happen because of this unwanted result. It happened. Computer-assisted surgery can make the surgeon can place all of the cup and the stem back to the nearly anatomical position and in the safe zone. Reduce and prevent of the complication, dislocation, very important. Leg length discrepancy or the fracture, it can reduce not only the minimally invasive surgery. Computer-assisted surgery introduced for this case to place the cup and the stem back to the very nearly anatomical position. With the system of the short stem, we can save the bone for him.
We decided to go here, and we went to different hospitals, and I felt this hospital was the best actually because of the doctor. He reassured me, and he even gave me full credibility. I could run and I could sit down normally, and I could do normal activities after the surgery after 6 months. The customer service is really good. It's smooth and really fast, and the doctor is really good. He gave me a sense of security when I asked him for the consultation. He explained what happened here and how he would do the surgery. He told me he would fix my hip, he would take care of it.
After the surgery, he really happy. Only few hours, he can lie on the right and on the left with no pain, and can early ambulation and can do all the exercise. He come to follow up, and the X-ray is show really good alignment. The hip, it come back symmetry, really nearly natural. After surgery at this moment, no pain, make he come back happiness and got the better quality of life after the surgery. It's really important.
So actually, I had almost no pain, I would say. During previous surgeries, I would scream in pain. But on 0 day, like on the operation day, after the operation day, I did not have any pain. I was able to sleep normally and everything. The service was pretty nice. The nurses were really good as well. They were caring as well. Excellent, I would say, because they give us instructions and they give us the explanation how the surgery would go and how would everything work, how would the physio go as well. And the robotic stuff is also really nice. The customer care, everything pretty much, all the services here is really easy, and even the car service is really good. I would advise them to come to Thailand and come to Vejthani.Hospital and go to Dr. Prem. He's one of the best doctors here, I would say. He's really welcoming. Thank you, sir.